In this video, we will introduce Rule 404 and evidence of a person's character. Among other things, Rule 404 provides that evidence of a person's character or a character trait is inadmissible to prove that someone acted in accordance with that characteristic. So, Rule 404 provides our general rule of evidence that a party cannot use character evidence to prove that someone did something simply because that person has a particular characteristic or personality. By way of example, we can't say that because someone stole previously, that she must have stolen again. A person on trial for robbery should be convicted or acquitted for what she did, and not convicted for who she is, even if we think she's the type of person who steals. A court can't convict her because the jury thinks she has a criminal personality. So let's say Debbie is on trial for robbery because she allegedly took money from someone at knife point. Now the prosecutor wants to introduce evidence that previously Debbie stole money from a safe. The prosecutor's idea is that if we can show that Debbie previously broke into a safe, then she must be the type of person willing to commit a crime in order to get money. And therefore, this helps prove that Debbie also committed the robbery. But the evidence that Debbie broke into the safe should be inadmissible under Rule 404. The prosecutor is trying to prove that Debbie committed this crime, the knife point robbery, to get money because that is consistent with her personality type. She has a character trait shown by her past actions that she commits crimes to get money. But because Rule 404 probably prohibits this type of evidence, the prosecutor will instead have to prove that Debbie actually committed the knife point robbery, not that she has a personality of a robber. There are, however, some circumstances where evidence that Debbie broke into the safe could be admissible for other purposes, perhaps to show that Debbie knew how to get into the safe to hide the money that she stole. To summarize, Rule 404 limits the introduction of evidence of a person's character or personality. Generally speaking, under Rule 404, evidence of character cannot be used to prove that someone acted in accordance with a particular character trait. Keep in mind, though, that sometimes evidence of a person's characteristics based on past actions or reputation could be admissible for other purposes.